Good morning, grade 10 Newton. It's me again, teacher Donna, and welcome to our math class. For today's topic, we are going to discuss subtraction without regrouping. So, let's continue. Okay. So, Batangas, so this one is a province south of Metro Manila, so is known for its tilapia and tawilis. So there, in the water area where the tilapia and tawilis live. So tilapia and tiwalis are freshwater fishes. They are grown in the fish cages or pens at Taal Lake. So there, the arrow there. So where the tilapia and tawilis lived. Yes, so let's continue. So we have here an example on how to get the subtraction without regrouping. So let's read first this one. So Mang Oscar owns 128 fish cages. So he put tilapia fingerlings in 104 cages. How many cages are left for growing other fishes? Okay. So what are the given here? Very good. It's 128 fish cages and tilapia fingerlings, which is 104 cages. So these are the following given. So the ask there, how many cages are left? If we talk about left, it means subtraction. So we have to subtract 128 minus 104. So did you get it now and how to put all the numbers in the position in their position? Okay, very good. So before that, let's solve them in two ways. So there are two ways in how to subtract numbers. Okay, the first one is the expanded form. Okay, so we have to expand the numbers. Diba? We already know how to expand numbers, right? So we have here 128. We will expand 128. So 100 plus 20, which is the number 2, and 8. Okay, so the next one is the 104. 4. We have to expand the 104. So 100 plus 0 plus 4. Okay, so that is how we expand the numbers 128 plus 104. Now we can subtract them. So let us first with 8 plus the 8 and 4, this one. It's not Plaza U, we have to subtract that one by one, place by place. So 8, we have here 8 minus 4 is equals to, what is the answer? Okay, very good. It's 4. So the same with here. It's 8 plus 8 minus 4 is equals to 4. The next one is we have the tens place, which is 20 minus 0. So what is the answer? 20 minus 0. The same as the number 20. So you find it here too, man, but it in the tens place, man. So we don't have to put number 0 here because it is in the tens place already. So we already know naman no how to subtract 100 minus 100. It is equal to 0. So we don't need to put 0 na in the hundreds place because the answer is still 0. So that is how we subtract in the expanded form. The next way, it would be the short form. So how is it? So we have here the steps. The step 1 is you will arrange the numbers in column. Okay, so 128 and 104. 8 belongs to the ones place and also 4. 2 belongs in the tens place, which is 2 and 0. And 1 in the hundreds place and also 1 in the 104s is in the hundreds place. The first step is you will arrange the numbers in column. The step 2 is you will subtract the ones, then the tens, and lastly the hundreds. So first, we will subtract the ones. So 8 minus 4 is equals to Very good. It's 4. Then the tens place, you subtract the tens place. So 2 minus 0 is equals to 2. And 1 minus 1 is equals to 0. Oh, I'm so sorry. So we don't need to put the 0. Okay, so the step 3 is you will check by adding upward. So we have here the answer, no? The difference rather, the answer of the subtraction, which is 24 and the 104. Yeah, that's one. And we by adding upward. So let's see if we will get the answer or the same answer, which is 128. Let's see. So 4 plus 4 is equals to 8 and 2 plus 0 is equals to 2 and put the number 1. So we have here the answer is 128. So look at here. So 128 is we will just add them upward. So we will get the 128. So you're right. You're absolutely right. So that is how those are the two ways in order to get the difference of subtraction in without regrouping. That one. So these are, I have prepared here the activity works. So let's see if you can answer this one. So prepare first your paper. Okay, the number one, 747 minus 115. What is the answer? Oh, very good. It's 632. How about this one? 509 minus 301. What is the answer? Very good. It's 208. How about this one? 773 minus 142. Very good. It's 631. How about this one? 578 minus 427. Okay, very good. It's 151. Number 5, what is the answer? Very good. It's 311. How about number 6? 888 minus 184. So the answer is 704. So it really depends on you in what way would you like to use. Is it the expanded form or you have just the steps by step? No, it really depends on you and how to get the difference of the the answer. Yeah, the difference. That is the answer for the subtraction. So it really depends on you and what will you use. That so this one is you will keep this one in your mind. You subtract numbers without regrouping. Subtract starting from the ones, followed by 10, followed by then tens, and so on. You will check the solution by adding upwards. So it means to say we will use the easiest way, which is the short form. Yeah, we will use short form because it's easier man for us to easier and faster than the expanded form. So these are the things to do in Math 2 lesson 2.6. So thank you for listening, grade 2 Newton. I hope you learned something from our discussion and see you in our next class. Thank you and goodbye.